What's going on, guys? Let's talk about some Christmas light issues. So this is the LED Light Show Color Motion Star Spinning 2 Effect in 1. Right here. $15 at Lowe's. This is the LED Light Show Point of Lights. 15 color combination, 122 light effects, 50-foot range, wireless remote. Same company, Walmart. $29. Actually, my bad. $24.88. This one is 30-foot coverage. Okay? 30 foot, 50 foot. See where I'm going with this. Let me show you the difference. This is the 50-foot, $24.88 light show. Amazing. I mean, on the trees, it is awesome. Plenty of different color options. Great effect. Now let's walk over to the other side of the house where we have the 2 color projector lights. And we have another one of the $24.88 light projectors, making it look like it's raining snow. But here we have this guy. Let me go ahead and plug this one in and show you the difference. Now remember what we're looking at compared. This thing is terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it, find where it's unplugged. We're gonna take it over to this side. I got a rat. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and swap these 2 out really quick, okay? So I'm gonna pull this one back just a tad bit. We're actually gonna aim it more on the house. All right, here we go. That one's off, that one's on. There we go. All right. All right, so this is weird, like changing thing, and looks like it would be super bright, which honestly it's more of a light. Like the area it covers on the ground is amazing, but when you get up to the house, it's nowhere near as bright. On that tree, nowhere near as bright, and you can barely see it touching the tree in the back. The other one you can see fine on the other side of the house. This thing is honestly, for $15, it's junk. Take it and throw it away. Spend the extra $10. Hold on. Do this without shocking myself since it's wet outside. And get this one. This one is so much nicer, guys. I mean, it's unbelievable. All right, guys, and with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll leave a link in the description to both of these products if I can find them online. But these are going to sell really fast. So for your 2021 Christmas holiday, don't skimp. Go ahead and spend $50 instead of $30 on 2 of those. You'll thank me later, I promise.